I just,
The way you like it,
it doesn't bother me one side of the day, because I either or. Always.
You're not paid extras, is that what you were saying? Anyway, today, in the Krone BiG X 700, across Kincaid, and another JQF, that one, is it?
That's Buffy, another one of Buffy's tractors.
Right. Well, there's quite a few can't wait today. 8 or 9? 8 tractors.
Could do with 9, but managing
Yep, gives a wee bit of rest. Only one man in the buck rig today, I see. Nobody rolling. At the moment, anyway.
Well, just because we're doing the further away stuff, they'll manage fine with one buck rig, and then tomorrow when we're back onto the close hand stuff, we'll put 2 buck rigs on to get them on.
Right.
Just to kind of keep the pit in good condition. Keep it well rolled.
Well, that's where the silage is made, isn't it, mate?
Well, that's it. Very true.
Anyway, just it's a red rock trailer today, and the AQF, the New Holland T7.210. It's running alongside today. And where are you heading after this?
After we chop our own?
No, this field.
Going up to another wee block of ground called the Grey Rig. It's just literally behind that field there.
Right. So far away that.
No, it'll take us 2 minutes to get there. So. Up there then.
I'm saying the last time I filmed you in here, you had the trailed Pottinger, and I had the drone. You had the trailer in this field.
With the what?
You had the trail chopper. Oh no, you wouldn't the trail chopper with it.
With a hog there.
With the lorry, no.
With a hog there, just with the trail chopper. The lorry was the one. Well, we put the lorry on this ground every year.
Right.
Just when it's dry anyway. Just when it's been a warm blow, you get far more in the thing.
I didn't see how many ton once. I won't mention how many it was. Quite a lot. So it was.
I think that was a wet year though, wasn't it? It was wet grass that time.
We'll say that anyway. Not getting many stops at all, really. There we are. Nice fill up trailer there. Right.
So he's having to take his time with the rake to try and get it all in. So you may as well just run a couple of trailers less and get it all pulled into a row.
You can't always just get everything time to perfection.
No, but there's quite a lot of wee bits. You just it's just catching on the tines and pulling it back round. It's just
adds up.
It's just not all coming in nice. But if he goes on any harder, he'll lose more. And that just looks untidy. So
anyway, in the background we can see Heathfield. They're doing the silage with the trail choppers today. Oops, sorry, Ross. So you could probably just see them in the background there. Didn't realise that they were working today, but I came with the tractor, so I'll need to go back home and. Oh, that's better. Ross has been very kind there. Getting a better view. As per usual, they just disappeared behind the trees, but you can see the chopper in the background there. They had 9 New Hollands working one day when I was over. So they actually hired one in as well. Well, there was 9 New Hollands on the farm rather, not all working.
I believe it ranks New Holland, I think.
Well, they're 4 New Holland.
I think they have 12 tractors in all. But that's including the scraping up tractors and stuff like that. I think it's actually 12. We should Paul told me that.
But it's getting harder and harder to find any of these ones to fill them. Anyway, that'll do for a moment till we get another trailer.
Like I think that's the TM Paul's actually chopping with. Sure he's chopping with the TM this year. I don't think he did last year.
what, the TM 155 or something?
140.
140. Anyway, just a few rows in this field to do, and then you meet another place. This would be the lad that was on the tractor with the other day.
Nathan, aye.
When he was mowing,
I know he does the cutting. Or one of the mowers, I know.
So I see the new Hollands sitting at the Crichton, the T7235S. So there must be something special about them.
What have you seen it?
It's like the new model, like.
Oh, right. Last year, halfway through last season, they came. Two rockets.
They'll be Irish, aye?
Yes, Irish built as well. Is every trailer not built in Ireland?
Well, we got all that to.
Seems to be what they mean by manufacturer. Lorry tankers and tiny trailers.
No, I think they get a lot of money from the government to set up these factories at one time.
No idea.
It's never a good sign, crunching metal, is it? That'll not happen very often.
Not often, but it does happen.
It can happen.
It does happen. Unfortunately.